Hello, my name is Crystal Quesada, and this is Joshua. So, Joshua, today we are going to be learning about equivalent fractions. First, before we start, can you tell me how we use fractions in real life?
Money.
Money. Okay, yeah. Can you give me one more example?
Cooking.
Cooking. Okay. Could you give me a specific example of how we use fractions in cooking?
Baking.
Baking, yeah. We do use fractions when we bake. Let's go a little bit more deeper into that. Could you give me an example, a specific example of how we use fractions in baking?
Oh, I'll show you something.
What? Joshua, we're still doing the video.
I'm getting something.
Joshua. Okay, let me... Joshua, do I need to...
Hold on.
What do you... Oh! Okay. Yeah, that's very specific. Yes, okay. Good job. Wow. Okay, so, yeah, this is exactly how. Can you read that?
1/4.
Okay, and what is 1/4?
Fraction.
It is a fraction. Good job.
1/3.
1/3, 1/3.
Fraction.
Yeah, and these tablespoons. What's that read?
1/8 tablespoons.
Yes. That was really good. Good job. Hand hug. Proud of you. That was really good, Joshua. You almost made me stop this video for you. Okay, good job. Okay, do you think that two different fractions can be equal to each other?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I'll show you an example. This. Okay. Okay, 1 whole is equal to 2/2. Do you know why? Yes? No?
No.
Nope. Okay, well, let me show you. So 2/2 is equal to 1. How many times can 2 go into 2?
1 time.
1 time, yeah. So that is 1. And how many times can 2 go into 2 over here?
1.
So 1. So 1/1 is equal to?
1.
Exactly. So 2/2 is equal to 1, which 1 whole. So those are equal. Do you guys see? Let me show you one more example, okay?
Okay.
How about we do, let's see. Let's do these other ones over here. Let's do 1 2/4. We're doing 2/4 is equal to 1/2. Okay? So we are going to reduce. So how many times can 2 go into 2?
1 time.
Yes. How many times can 2 go into 4?
2 times.
Yes. So are those equivalent to each other?
Yes.
Well, first of all, do you know what equivalent means?
Equal.
Equal, yeah. How did you know equivalent meant equal?
It has equal and equivalent. Like equivalent.
Oh, okay. So you hear the word equal and equivalent. Okay, really good. So yes, you are correct. These are equivalent to each other. So now we are going, we're going to see if you could create two examples using the pizzas. You can use whichever pizzas you want and make your own example, okay? So which ones are you gonna do? You can use the blue one.
5/10.
5/10. Okay, which one is that? How do you?
So you grab 5 pizzas. 3, 4, 5.
And where are you getting the 10 from?
I actually don't know. Can you help me?
Okay. So you did 5/10. So you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's your top part of the fraction, 5. And then the bottom part is how much you have in total. So how many pizzas do you have in total?
10.
Yes, so 5 plus these 5 equal 10. So that's where you get your 5/10 from.
Oh.
So go ahead and write. 5/10. Good job. Okay. What do you think it could be equal to? Go ahead. What do you think it could be equal to?
2/4.
2/4?
2/4.
Okay. Go ahead.
So
Write that down.
So I would get 2 of these big pieces.
Okay. Okay. How could you prove that they are equal to each other?
We can see and find out.
Okay, how do you find out? Remember what I did over here? We kind of reduced this to the lowest terms. Can you do that here?
Okay. So you can take
how many times can 2 go into 2?
only 1 time.
Okay, go ahead and write it.
So 1.
Okay, and
then how many times can 2 go into 4?
Good job. How many times?
Which is 2.
Okay.
So 1/2.
So 1/2, yes. And what about on this side? How are you going to do it over here?
How many times can 5 go into 5?
Awesome. So how many times can 5 go into 5?
1 time.
Okay.
How many times can 5 go into 10?
Awesome. How many times can 5 go into 10?
2.
Okay, so that means a way to check it, 2 times 5, what is that? 10. Huh?
10.
Awesome. So yeah, you are correct. So 5/10 does equal to 2/4. Good job, Joshua. Now we are going to, now that you know how the number lines are equivalent to each other, we are going to do a number line to represent those equivalent fractions, okay? So we're going to draw 2 number lines. We can use your same example, 5/10 and 2/4. So go ahead and you could draw a number line, and I will also draw a number line as well. So go ahead and draw your number line, and I will draw my number line. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Good. So we're just gonna
You
draw.
have the first number line.
Okay. This is my number line. Is that your number line? Okay. There we go. What is that? Could you explain to me?
It has 4 in it.
How?
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome. So I'm gonna do that. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. And then okay. So.
And then you would have to find where the 3 belongs in the 4. Like where it is at. Where's that?
We are going to do 2/4. So change that into a 2. We're going to do your example. So change just, oh no, okay. Just 2/4. We're going to do 2/4 on that one. Can you find where 2/4 is at?
Right.
Okay, yeah, good job. Okay, and on the second number line, we're going to do
5/10.
yes. So we're going to do
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the last one is our 10. Go for it.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. So where is 5/10? Can you locate 5/10 for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right in the middle.
Right in the middle, yeah. So let me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Awesome. We are going to try one more, and this time you are going to do it on your own. Oh, careful. And you are going to do it on your own. So, let me think of you're going to do it just right below. We could do, since you already had the 3/4, let's see, 3/4, let's do 6/8. So 3/4 over here, and then you'll do your other one over here, and that will be 6/8. Okay, so could you write a number line and then mark your point of 3/4 and then 6/8. So go for it. Make your number line.
Okay.
Awesome. For your other number line. Go, 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 go. Good. There. Okay, because that one's going to be 8. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, you could go ahead and mark that one.
Okay. So 1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3.
Awesome.
It would be right here.
Good job.
Let me do this. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so we could just, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll be 8. So we could just get that one out since we did. It's okay. We did it a little too big, so this one will be our end. This one's our front. Okay. So here you go. So we just do it like that. Okay. So mark
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So where are you gonna mark it?
Right here.
And do these fractions look similar to each other? Oops, sorry.
Well, not really.
They don't? Okay.
Because this one is more closer to the end and this one is like one behind.
Okay, I see. So they don't look, so according to the number line, they don't look similar.
They're close.
They are close. So they do look close, but since our number line is not exactly even to one another, a way that we could check is to see how many times what could go into both 6 and 8?
6 and 8?
Yes.
2.
2. Awesome. Okay, so how many times can 2 go into 6?
3.
3. Okay.